Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this Vienna iced coffee classic. So it's a classic coffee and this is the package and the brand is Maresi. No sugar is added in it as it's mentioned over here, if you can see, and it's Vienna iced coffee classic, traditional coffee culture from Vienna. Vienna is the name of place, honey? No? You don't know? Even I also don't know. So what else is written over here? Ready to drink coffee, drink with unskimmed milk and cream, no sugar added. Okay. In another languages also they have mentioned like same, and the nutritional information is also mentioned. Yes, the quantity, it's 230 ml. So what else? Nothing much. The expiry date and everything was written at the back. So this is the sipper. Actually from here you need to sip. After opening this pack you need to sip it from here and you need to place it again. Okay, so is there some opening part? Yes, as you can see over here, this is the place from where you need to open it slowly, and here comes the cold coffee, iced coffee. If you want you can place some ice cubes also. I'm not huge fan of very cold, so this is how you need to place it again and take a sip. Disgusting. Seriously man, the disgusting taste. It's very, very strong. No sugar, as they told earlier only. No sugar is there and it's very strong. I don't drink strong coffees. I know most of the people like strong tea and strong coffee, but I'm not huge fan of tea and coffee, so not for me, I think. If you like the hard coffee, so go for this. Frankly speaking, I didn't like it much. So friends, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.